Have you ever tried to log into your Social Security account only to find it locked? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you need quick access to important information or benefits. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to fix a locked Social Security account, explain why it happens, and share tips to prevent it in the future. Whether you're dealing with a forgotten password, suspicious activity, or just too many login attempts, we've got you covered. Let's get started and help you regain access to your account quickly and securely. First, let's talk about why Social Security accounts get locked in the first place. The Social Security Administration uses strict security measures to protect your personal information. If you enter the wrong password too many times, or if there's suspicious activity detected, your account may be automatically locked. This is to prevent unauthorized access and keep your sensitive data safe. Sometimes, even a simple typo or a forgotten password can trigger a lockout. Understanding these reasons can help you avoid future issues and keep your account secure. If you find yourself locked out, don't panic. The first thing you should do is stop trying to log in repeatedly, as this can make things worse. Instead, take a deep breath and prepare to follow the official recovery process. Make sure you have your Social Security number, email address, and any other identification details handy. These will be needed to verify your identity and start the unlocking process. Let's walk through the steps you should take right after discovering your account is locked. The next step is to visit the official Social Security Administration website. Make sure you're on the correct site, which is ssa.gov, to avoid scams or phishing attempts. On the homepage, look for the Sign In or My Social Security section. This is where you'll begin the process of unlocking your account. It's important to use a secure internet connection and avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive information. Let's see how to navigate the website safely. Once you're on the login page, look for the Forgot Password or Unlock Account link. Clicking this will start the account recovery process. You'll be prompted to enter your username or Social Security number and possibly answer some security questions. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that only you can regain access to your account. Follow the instructions carefully and provide accurate information. During the recovery process, you'll need to verify your identity. The Social Security Administration may ask for personal details such as your date of birth, address, or answers to security questions you set up previously. In some cases, you might receive a verification code via email or text message. This step ensures that only the rightful account owner can unlock the account. Be sure to enter all information accurately to avoid further delays. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or names. Once you set your new password, you should be able to log into your account. Make sure to store your password in a safe place or use a password manager to keep it secure. Sometimes, you might not be able to reset your password online. This can happen if you don't have access to your email or phone, or if the system can't verify your identity. In these cases, you'll need to take additional steps to unlock your account. Don't worry, there are still options available, including contacting the Social Security Administration directly for help. Let's look at what you can do next. If you can't unlock your account online, the next best step is to contact the Social Security Administration by phone. Call the SSA's toll-free number at 1-800-772-1213. Be prepared to verify your identity over the phone, which may include answering security questions or providing personal details. The representative will guide you through the process and help you regain access to your account. It's a good idea to call during business hours for faster assistance. If phone support doesn't resolve your issue, you can visit your local Social Security office for in-person help. Bring a valid photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and any documents related to your account. The staff will verify your identity and assist you in unlocking your account. This option is especially helpful if you need immediate access or have trouble with online or phone verification. When visiting the SSA office, it's important to bring the right documents. Typically, you'll need a government-issued photo ID, your Social Security card if available, and any correspondence from the SSA. Having these documents ready will speed up the process and help the staff verify your identity quickly. If you're unsure what to bring, you can call ahead and ask the office for guidance. Unlocking your Social Security account can take some time, depending on the method you use. Online resets are usually the fastest, often taking just a few minutes. Phone support may take longer, especially during peak hours. Visiting an SSA office might require waiting in line, so plan accordingly. Being patient and prepared will help the process go more smoothly. While trying to unlock your account, be cautious of scams. Only use the official SSA website and phone numbers. Never share your social security number or password with anyone claiming to be from the SSA unless you're sure they are legitimate. Scammers often pose as government officials to steal personal information. Stay vigilant and protect your identity at all times. To prevent future lockouts, set up account recovery options. Add a backup email address and phone number to your SSA account. This makes it easier to reset your password if you ever get locked out again. Regularly update your recovery information to ensure it's always current and accessible. Taking these steps now can save you a lot of trouble later. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed words or personal information. Change your password regularly and never reuse passwords from other accounts. A secure password helps keep your social security account safe from hackers. Remembering complex passwords can be tough. Consider using a password manager to securely store and generate strong passwords for all your accounts, including your social security account. Password managers encrypt your data and make it easy to access your credentials when needed. This way, you don't have to write down passwords or risk forgetting them. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your social security account. When enabled, you'll need to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account, even if they have your password. Check your account settings to enable this feature for added protection. Phishing is a common tactic used by scammers to steal your account information. Be wary of emails or messages that ask for your social security number or login credentials. Always check the sender's address and avoid clicking on suspicious links. If you receive a message claiming to be from the SSA, verify it through the official website or phone number before taking any action. Make sure your contact information on your SSA account is always up to date. This includes your email address, phone number, and mailing address. Updated contact info ensures you receive important notifications and can recover your account quickly if needed. Review your account details regularly and make changes whenever your information changes. Account security is a combination of strong passwords, up-to-date contact information, and awareness of potential threats. The Social Security Administration invests heavily in protecting your data, but your actions also play a crucial role. By following best practices, you can help keep your account safe and avoid future lockouts. Many people get locked out of their Social Security accounts due to simple mistakes. These include entering the wrong password multiple times, using outdated contact information, or falling for phishing scams. By being mindful of these common pitfalls, you can reduce the risk of future lockouts and keep your account secure. If you've tried all the recommended steps and still can't unlock your account, it's time to seek help. Contact the SSA directly through their official channels. Don't rely on third-party services or websites that promise quick fixes, as these can be scams. The SSA is best equipped to resolve your issue safely and securely. If you suspect your Social Security account has been compromised, report it immediately. Contact the SSA and explain your concerns. They can help you secure your account and investigate any unauthorized activity. Acting quickly can prevent further damage and protect your personal information. The Social Security Administration uses advanced security features to protect your account. These include encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular monitoring for unusual activity. Understanding these features can give you peace of mind and help you use your account more confidently. Official communication from the SSA will always come from their official website or phone number. Emails will use a .gov address, and phone calls will never ask for your full Social Security number or password. If you're unsure about a message, contact the SSA directly to verify its authenticity. This helps you avoid falling victim to scams. Always use a secure device when accessing your Social Security account. Avoid logging in from public computers or unsecured networks. Make sure your device has updated antivirus software and a strong password. This reduces the risk of your account being compromised by malware or hackers. Make it a habit to check your Social Security account regularly for any unusual activity. Reviewing your account statements and login history can help you spot problems early. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to the SSA right away. Staying proactive is key to keeping your account safe. Most online systems, including the SSA, have limits on the number of failed login attempts before locking your account. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. Knowing these limits can help you avoid accidental lockouts. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Password option instead of guessing. Security questions add another layer of protection to your account. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid using information that can be found on social media or public records. Update your security questions periodically for added safety. Once you've unlocked your account, take a few extra steps to secure it. Change your password again if you suspect it was compromised. Review your account details and update any outdated information. Set up additional security features like two-factor authentication if you haven't already. These actions help prevent future lockouts and keep your account safe. You can also contact the Social Security Administration online through their official website. Use the Contact Us section to send a secure message or request assistance. This is a convenient option if you prefer not to call or visit in person. Always use the official website to ensure your information stays safe. SSA offices have specific hours of operation, usually Monday through Friday. Check the SSA website or call ahead to confirm the hours for your local office. Planning your visit during less busy times can help you get assistance faster and avoid long waits. Before visiting an SSA office, gather all necessary documents and information. This includes your photo ID, social security card, and any relevant paperwork. Write down your questions or concerns ahead of time to make your visit more efficient. Being prepared helps the staff assist you more quickly. The Social Security Administration has strict privacy policies to protect your personal information. They will never ask for your password or full social security number over the phone or email. Familiarize yourself with these policies to recognize legitimate requests and avoid scams. If you believe your social security number has been stolen or used fraudulently, report it immediately. Contact the SSA and your local law enforcement agency. You may also need to place a fraud alert on your credit reports. Taking quick action can help minimize the damage and protect your identity. When using SSA online services, always log out after you're done and avoid saving passwords on shared devices. Clear your browser history and cookies regularly. These simple habits can help keep your account secure and prevent unauthorized access. There are different types of SSA accounts, such as personal and business accounts. Each type has its own security features and recovery options. Make sure you know which type you have and follow the appropriate steps for unlocking it. This ensures a smoother recovery process. Your social security card is a critical piece of identification. Store it in a safe place, such as a locked drawer or safe, and avoid carrying it with you unless absolutely necessary. Never share your social security number unless required by law. Keeping your card secure helps prevent identity theft. Watch for signs that your social security account may have been compromised. These include unexpected changes to your account information, unfamiliar login locations, or notifications about activities you didn't initiate. If you notice any of these signs, act quickly to secure your account and contact the SSA. Keeping your SSA account information current is essential. Log into your account and update your contact details, mailing address, and other personal information as needed. This ensures you receive important updates and can recover your account easily if necessary. If your SSA account has been disabled due to security concerns, follow the official recovery process. This may involve verifying your identity, resetting your password, or contacting the SSA for assistance. Stay calm and follow the instructions carefully to regain access as soon as possible. Long-term account protection requires ongoing vigilance. Regularly update your password, review your account activity, and keep your recovery information current. Stay informed about new security threats and follow SSA's recommendations for account safety. These habits will help you avoid future lockouts and keep your information secure. Let's recap the key steps for fixing a locked social security account. Stop repeated login attempts. Use the official SSA website for recovery, verify your identity, reset your password, and contact the SSA if needed. Always keep your information up to date and follow best security practices to prevent future issues. Before we wrap up, remember these final tips. Never share your social security number or password. Use strong and unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Stay alert for scams and always use official SSA resources. With these precautions, you can keep your social security account safe and accessible. Fixing a locked social security account can be stressful, but with the right steps, you can regain access and protect your information. Always use official channels, keep your details up to date, and follow security best practices. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.